Ayaw ninyo tagoy ulo ha. Habi nila ako.
Okay, so next, bring me. Ronald, not Ronald. Want you to bring me up. Bring me. Bring me.
Bring me 5 pesos. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Mana ating Diyos habang nabuhay. Okay, so kanina din sa Panginoon. Listen carefully my teacher. Okay? Ronald, not Ronald. Want you to bring me. Itaka ni Ronald. Okay, Ronald, not Donald. Want you to bring me. A black shoe. Itong na sapatos. Anyone, itong na sapatos. Aleka na, go. Ito next, bring me. Okay, for our next